Friends, welcome to the class. Today we'll discuss about equation reducible to a pair of linear equation. In some cases, the equations are not linear, but they can be reduced to a pair of linear equations by making some suitable substitution. These equations are called equation reducible to a pair of linear equation. Now, in such cases, the substitution varies from equation to equation. The substitution can be given as follows. Case 1. If the given equation involves 1 by x and 1 by y, then we can put 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v to convert them into a linear form. After solving, we will get the value of u and v, and by putting the value of u and v in the above equation, we can get the values of x and y. In case 2, if the given equation involves 1 by x plus or minus a and 1 by y plus or minus b, then also we put the value 1 by x plus or minus a equals to u and 1 by y plus minus b equals to v to convert them into a linear form. After solving and by putting the values of u and v in the above equation, we get the values of x and y. Here a and b are some constants. And in case 3, if the given equation involves 1 by x plus y and 1 by x minus y, then we put 1 by x plus y equals to u and 1 by x minus y equals to v to convert them into a linear form. After solving, by putting the values of u and v in the above equations, we get the values of x and y. Let's go through some examples so that we can understand how the equation are reduced to a pair of linear equation and how the values of the variable is found out. Find the values of x and y in the following equation. 5 by x plus 1 minus 2 by y minus 1 equals to 1 by 2, and 10 by x plus 1 plus 2 by y minus 1 equals to 5 by 2. Let 1 by x plus 1 equals to u and 1 by y minus 1 equals to v. So the given pair of linear equation 5 by x plus 1 minus 2 by x y minus 1 equals to 1 by 2 and 10 by x plus 1 plus 2 by y minus 1 equals to 5 by 2 can be written as 5u minus 2v equals to 5 by 2. Let this is first equation, and 10u plus 2v equals to 1 by 2. Let this is second equation. Now, on adding equation 1 and 2, we get 15u equals to 6 by 2 equals to 3, or u equals to 3 by 15 equals to 1 by 5. Now, we got the values of u. Now, putting the values of u in equation 1, we get 5 into 1 by 5 minus 2v equals to 1 by 2, or 1 minus 2v equals to 1 by 2, or v equals to 1 by 4. So we got the values of both u and v. So we got u equals to 1 by 5 and v equals to 1 by 4, or we can write it as 1 by x plus 1 equals to 1 by 5 and 1 by y minus 1 equals to 1 by 4. Or taking the reciprocal, we get x plus 1 equals to 5 and y minus 1 equals to 4, or x equals to 4 and y equals to 5. Thus, x equals to 4 and y equals to 5 is the answer. Find the values of x and y in the following pair of linear equation: x plus 4y equals to 27y and x plus 2y equals to 21y. So the given pair of linear equation is x plus 4y equals to 27y xy. Let this is first equation, and x plus 2y equals to 21xy. Let this is second equation. Dividing xy on both the sides in both the equation, we get 1 by y plus 4 by x equals to 27. Let this is with the third equation, and 1 by y plus 2 by x equals to 21. Let this is equation 4. Let 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. So equation 3 and equation 4 can be written as 4u plus v equals to 27. Let this is equation 5, and 2u plus v equals to 21. Let this is equation 6. Subtracting equation 6 from equation 5, we get 2u equals to 6, or u equals to 3. And putting the value of u in equation 5, we get 12 plus v equals to 27 or v equals to 15. So we got u equals to 3 and v equals to 15. That means 1 by x equals to 3 and 1 by y equals to 15, or x equals to 1 by 3 and y equals to 1 by 15. Thus, the values of x and y are 1 by 3 and 1 by 15 respectively. This is the answer. Let's see some word problem. A man travels 600 km partly by train and partly by car. It takes 8 hours and 40 minutes if he travels 320 km by train and rest by car. If he travels 200 km by train and rest by car, it takes 30 minutes more time to cover the distance. Find the speed of the train and that of the car separately. Let the speed of the train be x km per hour and that of the car is y km per hour. So if the man travels 320 km by train and rest by car, he takes 8 hours 40 minutes. That means we can write it as 320 by x plus 600 minus 320 by y equals to 8 hours 40 minutes. Or if you convert 40 minutes in the form of hour, we get 320 by x plus 280 by y equals to 8 and 2 by 3 hour, which is equals to 26 by 3. And this is first equation. Now likewise, in second case, we get the equation as 200 by x plus 600 minus 200 by y equals to 8 hour plus 40 minutes plus 30 minutes. That means 200 by x plus 400 by y equals to 55 by 6. Because in second case, the man travels 200 km by train and rest out of 600 rest, that is 400 km by car. And because of this, it takes 30 minutes more than the previous time. So it is 200 by x plus 400 by y equals to 8 hour 40 minutes plus 30 minutes. That means 9 hour and 1 by 6 hour. 9 and 1 by 6 hour, which is equal to 55 by 6 hours. So now let put 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. So equation 1 and equation 2 can be written as 320u plus 280v equals to 26 by 3, or on dividing 2 on both the sides, we get 160u plus 140v equals to 13 by 3. Then this is equation 3. And equation 2 can be written as 200u plus 400v equals to 55 by 6, or dividing 5 on both the sides, we get 40u plus 80v equals to 11 by 6. Let this is equation 4. Now 4 into equation 4 equals to 160u plus 320v equals to 22 by 3. Let this is equation 5. Now in equation 3 and equation 5, the coefficient of u is common, so we can eliminate u, and so that we can find the value of v. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 5, we get 180v equals to 9 by 3, which is equals to 3, or v equals to 1 by 60. Putting the value of v in equation 3, we get 160u plus 140 into 1 by 60 equal to 13 by 3, or u equals to 2 by 160, which is equals to 1 by 80. So we got u equals to 1 by 80 and v equals to 1 by 60. That means we can write it as 1 by x equals to 1 by 80 and 1 by y equals to 1 by 60. Taking the reciprocal, we get x equals to 80 km per hour and y equals to 60 km per hour. Thus, the speed of the train and that of the car is 80 km per hour and 60 km per hour respectively. This is the answer. It takes 12 hours to fill a tank using 2 pipes. If the pipe with larger diameter used for 4 hours and the pipe with smaller diameter for 9 hours, the tank gets half filled. Find how long it would take each pipe to fill the tank separately. Let the time taken by the pipe with larger diameter is x hour and the pipe with smaller diameter is y hour. So in 1 hour, the pipe with larger diameter can fill 1 by x part, and the pipe with the smaller diameter can fill 1 by y part. Now, according to the question, it is 4 by x plus 9 by y equals to 1 by 2, because if the uh, pipe with larger diameter used for 4 hours and the pipe with smaller diameter used for 9 hours, then the tank gets half filled, so it is 1 by 2. And 12 by x plus 12 by y equals to 1. This is second equation. Why this is 12 by x plus 12 by y equals to 1? Because in 1 hour the larger pipe can fill 1 by x part. So in 12 hours it can fill 12 by x part, and the smaller pipe can fill in 1 hour it can fill 1 by y part, or in 12 hours it can fill 12 by y part. But it takes 12 hours to fill the tank using 2 pipes. So it is 12 by x plus 12 by y equals to 12 by 12, which is equals to 1. So we got two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now let's put 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. So equation 1 and equation 2 can be written as 4u plus 9v equals to 1 by 2 and 12u plus 12v equals to 1. Let these be equation 3 and equation 4 respectively. Now 3 into equation 3 is 12u plus 27v equals to 3 by 2. Let this is equation 5. Subtracting equation 4 from equation 5, we get 15v equals to 1 by 2, or v equals to 1 by 30. Putting the value of v in equation 4, we get 12u plus 12 by 30 equals to 1, or 12u equals to 1 minus 2 by 5, which is equal to 3 by 5, or u equals to 1 by 20. So u equals to 1 by 20 and v equals to 1 by 30. Or we can write it as 1 by x equals to 1 by 20 and 1 by y equals to 1 by 30. This implies x equals to 20 hours and y equals to 30 hours. So the time taken to fill the tank with the pipes with larger diameter and the pipe with smaller diameter are 20 hours and 30 hours respectively. This is the answer. 4 men and 6 boys can finish a piece of work in 5 days, while 3 men and 4 boys can finish the same work in 7 days. Find the time taken by a man and the boy alone. Let the man finishes the work in X days and the boy finishes the work in Y days. So in one day, a man can finish 1 by X part of the work and a boy can finish 1 by Y part of the work. So in one day, 4 men and 6 boys can finish 1 by 5 part of the work. That means we can write it as 4 by X plus 6 by Y equals to 1 by 5. Let this is first equation. Similarly, in one day, 3 men and 4 boys can finish 1 by 7 part of the work. So you can write it as 3 by x plus 4 by y equals to 1 by 7. Let this is the second equation. Now let's put 1 by x equals to u and 1 by y equals to v. So equation 1 and equation 2 can be written as 4u plus 6v equals to 1 by 5. Let this is third equation, and 3u plus 4v equals to 1 by 7. Let this is fourth equation. Now 3 into equation 3 is 12u plus 18v equals to 3 by 5, and 4 into equation 4 equals to 12u plus 16v equals to 4 by 7. By change of sign, we get 2v equals to 1 by 35, or v equals to 1 by 70. Putting the value of v in equation 4, we get 3u plus 4 into 1 by 70 equals to 1 by 7, or 3u equals to 6 by 70, or u equals to 35. So we got u equals to 35 and v equals to 1 by 70. That means 1 by x equals to 1 by 35 and 1 by y equals to 1 by 70. Or taking the reciprocal, we get x equals to 35 and y equals to 70. Thus, one man alone can finish the work in 35 days, or you can say one man alone takes 35 days and one boy alone takes 70 days to finish the work. This is the answer. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Find the speed of the stream and the speed of the boat in still water. Let the speed of the boat in still water is x km per hour and the speed of the stream is y km per hour. So the speed in downstream is x plus y km per hour and speed in downstream is x minus y km per hour. Now, according to the question, a boat takes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. So we can write it as 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y equals to 10, and it takes 13 hours to go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. That means 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y equals to 13. Let 1 by x minus y equals to u and 1 by x plus y equals to v. So the above equation can be written as 30u plus 44b equals to 10. Let this is first equation, and 40u plus 55b equals to 13. Let this is second equation. From equation 1 we get u equals to 10 minus 44b equals to 30. Let this is equation 3. Now putting the value of u in equation 2 we get 40 into 10 minus 44b by 30 plus 55b equals to 13. Or on solving we get minus 11b equals to minus 1 or v equals to 1 by 11. Now putting v equals to 1 by 11 in equation 3 we get u equals to 1 by 5. Now u equals to 1 by 5 and v equals to 1 by 11. That means 1 by x minus y equals to 1 by 5 and 1 by x plus y equals to 1 by 11, or x minus y equals to 5 and x plus y equals to 11. By taking the reciprocal we got this value. So on solving these two equations we get x equals to 8 and y equals to 3. Thus the speed of the boat in still water is 8 km per hour and that of the stream is 3 km per hour. This is the answer. Friends, here we saw a few questions, but the more and more questions you practice, the easier it becomes and the more you like it. So friends, practice more and more such questions, and in case you come across any difficult question, feel free to share your question with me. It will be a pleasure for me if I can help you out in solving your doubts, in solving your questions. So this much for today's class. Thank you.